There's not long to go now until the end of the 2024-25 tax year, but if you're on it, there's still time to take advantage of your annual allowances. Here's your checklist for things you should do before April 5th. Number 1, top up your ISA. This seems like an obvious one, but many don't take advantage of their full ISA allowance in a single tax year. This is a use it or lose it affair. And once the tax year ends, any unused parts of the ISA allowance are gone and a new one kicks in. If you have less than £20,000 in your ISA, you might like to consider how to make up the shortfall before the new tax year begins. Having a goal in mind can help. You might like to aim for the full allowance or set a more modest goal depending on what feels manageable for you. Number 2, shop around. This tax year, for the first time, you can have more than one of the same type of ISA. So even if you have paid into an account this tax year, it's still worth checking whether others have a better offering. Many providers offer different types of ISAs with different bonuses and fees for holding an ISA with them. You may want to look for providers that offer access to the funds you want to put your money into, or a set portfolio of funds that appeals to you, and then compare their costs. With XTB, you can open a flexible stocks and shares ISA with no costs for opening an ISA with us. Until the 30th of April, you can also earn a boosted interest rate of 6.5% on your uninvested funds for the first 90 days after opening the ISA. This is a limited time opportunity to maximize returns on your savings. Terms and conditions apply. Number 3, make a plan for the new tax year. With the new tax year approaching, see how you can make the most of your ISA allowance in the new tax year. Whether this is automating your contributions directly to your provider, or deciding to cut back on unnecessary spending to increase your contributions, allowing time to sit down and plan how to best go about the new tax year can prove to be a wise decision. Understand the different types of ISAs available to you and evaluate for yourself which ones best fit your goals and what you want from your ISA, whether that is flexibility, high interest rates, or a possible return from your contributions. Understanding ISAs and how to make the most of them can be overwhelming. Topping up before April 5th and choosing the right ISA for your goals could boost your savings and make your money work harder for you. Subscribe to XTB to learn more about saving and investing.